I really didn't know much about arboriculture when I first took the program, so just right off the bat it really showed me the basics and it really built me up to more advanced climbing, rigging, and just operating different machines, chainsaws, wood chippers. I really liked that we were outside a lot of the time, like 2-3 times a week sometimes, and we're just outside all day. We're up in the trees, hands-on with everything. I think almost everybody in the class has a job lined up, so it's a very in-demand job. And yeah, I've had a couple offers, and I'm still deciding at the moment. Eventually, I would like to own my own company. I think that would be a big bonus. But I had so much of a good time here this year, I've decided to come back next year to take the forestry program.